What if you could literally just click a button and generate high quality, engaging videos that not only grow your social media accounts like a wildfire, but make you a ton of money for virtually doing nothing except clicking that button? What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and welcome to the AI Video Generator Ultimate Guide, how to make big money with AI video. And I'm not just talking about ad revenue here. What I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. In other words, selling other people's products by sharing a link online. Everybody wants to see the proof. They want to know that it works. So we're going to get this out of the way at the beginning of the video. Here is just one of my affiliate dashboards here where I've earned over $10,000 in commissions using the exact process I'm going to show you here. And I've not only done this with this one affiliate program, I've done this multiple times with many different programs and helped a bunch of other people do it. So what can this AI video tool do? Well, this video is going to be less about how to actually create these AI videos because it's pretty simple. If you could just type a sentence like you see here and click a button, then this tool will turn your sentence or your phrase into high quality AI videos. So what I want to show you is how to turn these videos into money. But before we go any further, I want to show you something. This is a channel called Ancient History Facts, and it was launched by the creator of this AI video tool just about a month ago, no more than 2 months ago. And what I want to show you here is that these videos are getting anywhere from a few hundred views to thousands and even sometimes tens of thousands of views, and they are all generated with AI. I think you can pretty clearly see that these videos are pretty much identical to the examples you see here on the homepage. And again, we're just clicking a button to create these videos. And if you want to dive a little deeper, we can take a look at Social Blade here, and we'll scroll down and check out the graph, and you could see total subscribers. So just about a month ago, or in the past month, you could see that this channel has gained over 1,000 subscribers, and again, using only AI video. So I want you to get started with this now, because the longer you wait, the more people are going to be doing this, and the harder it's going to be for you to be successful. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content about making money with AI. I make videos almost every day about every different way I could possibly think of to make money with AI, and I show you what's worked for me and what you can do to start doing this for yourself. So I've got the exact steps here. I don't want to waste any more time. Let's just jump into it. Before we go any further, comment AI video generator on this video if you would post AI content for money. I know a lot of people are offended by AI content. They like human art and they would never think about using AI, but I think those people are a little bit short-sighted, because once you see how simple this is, I think it's going to be pretty irresistible for you to get started with. So obviously, step one is to get access to the AI video generator, and you can do that by visiting oneclickvids.com. And for a very limited time, I don't think this will last long, but for a limited time, you can use code Syllabi25, there it is if you want to screenshot it, to get 25% off this tool, which I think is pretty cool. Again, that's at oneclickvids.com. And if you're on the fence, they do have a couple free tools you could play with here. You can create talking AI photos, you can create YouTube summaries, but the meat and potatoes is really in this one-click video generator, and again, for a limited time, you can save 25% by using code Syllabi25. Obviously, that's the first step. You can't create AI videos if you don't have an AI video generator. So go ahead and grab that so that you can follow along with the rest of this video. The next thing you're going to need, step two, is to find high commission and high converting affiliate offers. It's pretty obvious why. High commission, because you want to earn as much money as possible for your time, and high converting because you actually want people to buy the products that you are promoting. So I've made it super easy for you to do that as well. All you want to do is head to copythelist.com. So when you get to copythelist.com, it's going to just let you click one of these green buttons here, and you can either copy this spreadsheet to your Google Sheets account or you can download it to your device. So let's check it out. This is the spreadsheet itself. It's a spreadsheet I've set up with the most popular affiliate offers that I found and the most profitable. So Here, this column tells you what the tool does. This column gives you a link to sign up. And by the way, you can sign up for most of these tools to promote them as an affiliate for free. You don't actually have to pay for it. You can just sign up and start promoting them. And there's even a few affiliate platforms down here that are going to give you access to hundreds and even thousands of different affiliate offers in pretty much every single niche, everything from physical products to online services and all kinds of stuff. But anyways, you could do what I did and spend years Googling and searching and looking for all these things, or you can just come to copythelist.com and make a copy and be done with it in a couple seconds. So that's step 2. Step 3 is then going to be to set up a landing page and an automated email sequence. So the tool I used to do that you can grab at funnelsforever.com. And again, this tool has a free trial. If you use my link funnelsforever.com, you will get a 30-day free trial. Whereas if you go to High Level's homepage, I'll click here so you can see they're only going to offer you a 14-day free trial, where if you use my link funnelsforever.com, you can more than double that to a 30-day free trial, which means you could do what I'm showing you here for a month without even having to pay for this tool. So that's pretty cool. We will jump into how this all works right now. I have a diagram here. So this is so that you can visualize what we're doing here. We're going to create AI videos. Again, this is just clicking buttons, nothing very hard. And this tool here at oneclickvids.com actually also has a scheduler, which means when you create these AI videos, you can just schedule them to post to all of your social media accounts automatically. So this is something you could set up in one day or even a couple hours and then have automated content going out to all of your accounts on autopilot. So what we're going to do after that is set up a chatbot which is going to automatically send your affiliate link to anyone who engages with your content. Anyone who comments on these AI videos is going to automatically get sent a link that can make you money. Pretty exciting stuff if you ask me. So let's take a look at the steps here. Like I said, step 4, after you've set up your landing page and automated email sequence using funnelsforever.com. And by the way, I have a tutorial of this I just posted yesterday or the day before. So just head over to my YouTube channel if you want to see exactly how to set this up. Obviously, I can't show you how to use all of these tools in one quick video, but I do have another video about that on my channel. I think it's called AI Go High Level Tutorial or something like that. But anyways, the next step is going to be to set up a chatbot on your social media accounts, and I do that using a tool called ManyChat. You can grab it at manychat.com. So I believe this tool also has a free trial, but what this is going to let you do is, again, not only automatically message anybody who messages your page, but this tool can actually automatically message anybody who comments on your video, which is really just taking all of the work out of this, right? Because you can spend a few hours setting this up, and then it's going to run on autopilot, literally sending people the link that makes you money. But we're not done yet. What I want to show you next is how to 30x your chance of making a sale on these affiliate offers, and you're going to do that using this automated email sequence. So that's why you need to set this stuff up in advance. But I want to show you how this works. So like I said, you create the videos, you schedule them out using the calendar, you use the chatbot to send your link to anyone who engages with your content, and then that link is going to be an opt-in page, which means somebody can enter their email address here to get more information. So as soon as they enter their email address on this page, they get sent over to your money page, in other words, your affiliate offer. But the cool thing is, a lot of times when people see offers online, the first time they see it, they bounce. In other words, they leave without buying the product. Now, ordinarily, that traffic, that person, that viewer, would be gone forever. They'd watch your video, they'd come to your affiliate link, they'd leave, and you would never make any money from that. So instead, what this is going to do, by getting them to opt in to come to this offer, now we can create emails using AI and have them automated as well. So after they bounce, the next day they're going to get an email telling them about this cool tool that you were promoting or this cool product. And then if they go ahead and bounce again, maybe they just spent their last 20 bucks on gas or whatever it is and they just can't afford it, that's okay. They're going to get an email the next day bringing them right back to this offer. And then again the next day. And maybe that day is payday, and maybe that is when you get your sale. But you can use AI to create 30 of these emails in a very short period of time. Probably you can not only you can create them in about 5 minutes, and it'll probably take you half an hour, maybe an hour to copy and paste these into the tool here at funnelsforever.com. So here's what that looks like. I've come over to Google Gemini, and you can use ChatGPT for this if you want. Really, any AI writer will do. And to be honest with you, I'd recommend giving the prompt a little more detail, but I've just started with 2 sentences here. Write me a 7-day email sequence that convinces people to start a free trial of Go High Level. Target an audience of social media users who are ready to start making money online so that they can leave their boring full-time job. So I will go ahead and run that, and you'll see how easy this is. So I put in 7 days here, but again, you could do 30 days. You could set this up for 365 days if you want. But here we go. Day 1, subject: are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? And it looks like it hasn't actually wrote the emails this time, so I'll say write out the emails for me. Really, it's that simple with AI. It's totally idiot proof. If you just know what you want, you tell it and it will do it. So here you go. Introduction and hook. Subject: are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Hi, are you tired of trading time for money? Do you dream of a life where you are in control of your income and schedule? You are not alone. Millions of people are searching for a way to escape the rat race and build a thriving online business. Go High Level is here to help you make that dream a reality. With our all-in-one platform, you can automate your business, generate leads, and boost sales. Ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Start your free trial today. And then it says here, link to free trial. So you can literally just copy this email and then go ahead and paste these emails into your automated system. And again, I have a full training on this on my YouTube channel. In fact, I could show you right here. It's easiest Go High Level AI affiliate marketing training. It's 27 minutes. So in under a half an hour, you can follow along step by step and actually set this system up for yourself and then have this running on autopilot. So you can see here this went ahead and already generated 7 emails, and that took about 30 seconds. So you can imagine that in under an hour you can create a month's worth of these emails. So we're looking at maybe 3 hours of work total. You spend an hour creating your AI videos and scheduling them to your account. You spend maybe 20 minutes setting up this chatbot, and that's a maximum, right? You click a few buttons, you tell it what you want the message to say, and then you're off and running. So in 2 or 3 or 4 hours worth of work, you can have this entire automated system set up and running for the next month, which I think is absolutely insane. So if we come back and check out the steps here, after you've set up your chatbot, the next step is to go ahead and create and schedule the AI videos, right? You don't want to do that first, because the first thing you want to do after you get access to the tool is actually find something to promote, find something with high commissions and a high converting offer. And then you're going to go ahead and set up your landing page and email sequence, then set up your chatbot for your social media account. So all of the back end of this is set up. And then once that's done, that is when you're going to come over to oneclickvids.com and actually start pumping out these videos. So in the last step, once you've actually clicked the buttons and made the videos, and again, that's all we're doing here is clicking buttons. None of this is complicated. It doesn't require any work or thinking even at all, right? You're just going to click buttons and type a few words, and that's it. So then step 6 is to literally relax and do nothing while AI videos make you money. So, you're going to have to come in once a week or once a month and create and schedule some new AI videos, unless you just go absolutely crazy and stay up all night and schedule these out for the next year, right? That's always an option. But either way, once this is all set up, you can literally relax and do nothing while AI videos make you money. And this is the exact process I've used to earn tens of thousands of dollars on various different affiliate offers. So with that said, I don't want to keep you here all day. The last thing I want to show you is, if you still need more help, you can grab my step-by-step course before the price goes up at profitpassively.com/AI. So for less than the cost of like a cheap dinner date, probably less than taking your date to Applebee's, you can grab my course, which is going to walk you through using all of these tools step by step and show you how to set up one of these AI money-making systems for yourself. So that is the ultimate guide on how to make big money with AI video generators. And like I said, I didn't spend a ton of time showing you how to use this tool because it's literally that simple. You see these little phrases here, these little 3, 4, 5 word phrases turning into videos right before your eyes. And that's it. If you could type a phrase like this and click a button, then you will get videos just like this. And again, you can use these videos to grow a completely faceless channel on autopilot. Now, getting a bunch of views and getting a bunch of subscribers is cool, and maybe you just want a little bit of money from ad revenue. Nothing wrong with that. But if you want to take it up a notch, like I said, I highly recommend going to copythelist.com and making a copy of this spreadsheet, because now you have hundreds of different things that you can promote with AI videos that can make you money online. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the thumbs up. That not only lets me know that you like the video, but it's going to trigger the algorithm to show it to even more people that it can help, who can hopefully start making more money in less time and just get the time and financial freedom that I think we are all looking for. So with that said, don't forget the price is going up soon for this course, and you can grab it at profitpassively.com/AI. And don't just take my word for it. First of all, I'm a regular person just like you. Just a few years ago, I was working for UPS delivering packages and spending like 70 hours per week working, and it was pretty miserable. But now I have no boss and no schedule. I only spend a couple hours per day working, and I make more money working less time. So like I said, don't take my word for it. On this page, you can see the reviews that of other people from my content and my courses, and see what they have to say and see if this is something that's right for you. But it's just a series of short videos that are going to walk you through using these various different AI tools and kind of show you step by step, click by click, how to set up one of these systems for yourself, and most importantly, how to do it today, right? You don't need to take month-long challenges. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on courses or tens of thousands of dollars on consulting. Like I said, for less than the cost of a date to Applebee's, you can have everything you need to set up one of these systems for yourself and start earning hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of dollars in commissions. Now, obviously, to keep it real with you, this is not an overnight thing. It's not like you're going to set this up today and wake up to tens of thousands of dollars tomorrow. But what you can do is start small and work your way up. And here's the proof. Here's one commission that I earned that's $190. Here's another one that was a $998 commission from a single sale. That means I got an email saying, hey, we're sending you $1,000 just about for work you did a long time ago, for work that bots did. So I think that's super cool. And the moral of the story is work smarter, not harder. And now is the time to let AI replace your job. A lot of people are scared that AI is going to take their job. But what they don't realize is if you're smart about this, you can let AI take your job while you keep all the money it makes. That's what I'm trying to show you here. So like I said, if you appreciate me sharing this content, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click the red button down below to subscribe to my channel. And that way you'll see the content I put out in the future. If you want to see it right away, click the bell icon. That'll give you a notification on your phone each and every time I upload a new video about how to make money online. So with that said, don't forget to take advantage of this coupon code. I don't think it will be available for long because this is an extremely popular tool, but right now you can get 25% off your subscription to this tool using code Syllabi2025 at oneclickvids.com. So that's all I have for you today, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI affiliate marketing video.